how to log in to University of BC. So if you want to log into your University of BC, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for University of BC login. And once you've searched, here you will have login under the first search, which is University of British Columbia. So click on the login, and after that it will take you to the website. So you can simply scroll down, and here you can choose three options. You can enter your email or your campus-wide login or your education planner BC. So I'll be choosing email. Enter your email address on the first blank, and you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can simply go for forgot password and you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then enter it, and you can click on login. And once you click on login, it will log into your University of BC account. So that's it. That's how you log into your University of BC account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.